puppies. Let's go. Getting all loaded up. We're gonna head to our first stop, which is gonna be Evergreen, because we started 2020 there. That would be nice to do a trip in December there as well. Here we come. Oh, there's Mike just chilling in the heat.
Chilling in the heat. See what you did there.
Yeah. And here we are. No stepping outside. It's pretty cold out today. It's in the 30s, so can't wait. Hit that hot tub. I also want to show just how clean it all is. I did a massive clean job when we got home. So remember this, because it will not be like this when we return from our trip. Yay! Let's go!
Time to go.
Literally 2 seconds after we started to move.
Nothing says Christmas like getting some B-dubs on the road.
Mm-hmm.
But it is better than eating inside, right?
It is. I like it a lot better because it's just, I mean, that way we don't have to leave the dogs in here and deal with people.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with Corona. As you've noticed, we still like to just be by ourselves. That's why we're going camping on Christmas.
I don't know if you can tell, but it is snowing. It is going to be a white Christmas, I think.
Yep.
Oh, the poor Wraith. It is just covered in salt and snow and slush. The poor Jeep. Oh. Man, the Jeep got it good. Oh, this is cool. Oh, what a beautiful day. Almost have the place to ourselves. Got a motorhome there and one there. It's quiet. It's peaceful. And there's the pool and hot tub. Guy, you got snow all over you. Guy, you ready to go in?
Warm now that our feet are icicles. These grip a lot better than my other shoes.
Yeah, that is very grippy.
Yay!
This is why we come to Evergreen. Yeah, they're so close.
Ready, set, go. While our bathing suits and stuff are drying in the dryer because we're fancy, We're gonna set up our little Christmas tree.
Maybe. It's not cooperating.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
And hope we have enough cord to plug it in.
We didn't think this one through.
No.
All of our outlets are up high.
Yeah, everything's up high and except for this one. But then I'd have to set it right on top of the stove, which means I'd have to just move it when I have to cook.
Well, I know you like pull the branches out and stuff.
Yeah, floof it up.
Let's just plug it in.
Zhuzh it. Aww.
$10 well spent.
I had to turn out the lights. It totally makes it feel way more Christmassy with the lights out. Aww. Looks so good and twinkly. Piper, you gotta dump it out every time? Something must be at the bottom she really wants.
You're being crazy, Piper.
She's making us run.
Piper. So what do you think of the dehumidifier? Is it working?
I think it's doing worse than last time.
It's been on for an entire day and a night.
Yeah, and there's like one bubble of water in there. It's like,
Yeah, right there. That's all we got. It's been on for a whole day and a night, and now it's Christmas morning.
Granted, it is sitting over here, and last time it was over there by more windows, but no good.
Check out this window. You can't even see out of it.
There's ice on the inside. All
Yeah,
the condensation,
kind of see there. Yeah,
all the condensation froze.
because our dehumidifier is doing such a good job.
Merry Christmas.
Are you sure you want to go out, Guy? It's only 17 degrees.
He has no idea what he's getting into. Oh, our steps are all frozen, or icy.
Oh, man. There's definitely a lot of snow here.
Yeah, my boots are almost getting covered up.
Yeah, it's cold. It is absolutely cold.
It's beautiful, but this is crazy.
It's very quiet.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The Jeep looks even more sad than it did before.
Piper, let's open some presents.
Here, take it.
Maybe Piper will take it. Good boy. Now he's getting into it because he wants another one. He's like, where's my other one?
Guy.
Where is it? He's like, it's mine.
There you go.
Good
bud.
girl. Oh, there you go. Good girl. What's that? Big bone. God. Good boy. Maybe Piper will want that one instead. There you go. Merry Christmas, puppies. Guy, seriously? This is called a long-lasting edible chew.
It's gone.
And it is for extreme chewing. And he just freaking destroyed it. It's gone now. Why are you growling at? Oh, someone's shoveling the walkway. Good thing you're growling at him, Piper.
That snow is still blowing.
Yeah, it's really coming down.
So far, you think the Wraith is suitable for winter camping?
I absolutely think it's suitable for winter camping. This is far better than any other of the RVs that we've owned, in my opinion.
And just to let everybody know that this is not a paid promotion.
No.
We are not sponsored by Nexus. We are not anyway getting paid by them.
No.
But I will say that this has been pretty amazing the way that it's handled the winter temperatures.
Yeah, and I mean, it's blowing, it's snowing, it's freezing outside. It's like between 7 and 15 degrees, you know, depending on the wind, and you know, it really takes the heat out of the RV. If you're by windows, you can tell, but it's really holding in the heat quite well.
It's very cozy in here. At night, yes, the furnace does run quite a bit at night. Mm-hmm. My only complaint so far is that the floor is cold.
Yeah, and I told him get some slippers because I'm fine.
The floor is cold. Other than that, it's been awesome.
Hey, Nexus, maybe get some heated floors as an option. But yeah, I'm completely pleased.
Okay, I guess that's not my only complaint. In the bathroom gets very cold. The furnace is like right under here, and the bathroom is over there. So the way that they have it ducted, like under the floor, and then it comes up over there, it does not carry any heat. Very, very minimal, if any.
Yeah, so we have an small electric heater in there for supplementary heat for when we go to the bathroom and take a shower, that type of stuff.
Yeah, we've got this electric heater right here, and then we got electric heater down in the dump bay, which I've shown previously. And currently it's, let's see, you can see it's 42 degrees. It says it's 58 in here right now. It's actually like 61 or so. But 42 degrees in the dump bay. That way our dump valves don't freeze up.
Yeah, and you all know that we've had that happen in the Airstream on at least 2, if not more occasions.
Yeah.
So we are loving that we have the dump bay that we've hooked up to be able to put that heater in there so it doesn't happen anymore.
I would highly recommend Nexus for a winter camping RV.
Yeah.
If you get near the windows, yeah, you can feel some cold air, but I mean, glass has an R value of like 0.
Right. It's like almost 1. You're gonna have that in any RV. That's just how it is. So accept that and move on. We do have a blanket covering the front cab because clearly there's a lot of windows up there. So we put a blanket up and that really does help.
Yeah. It's cold up there. It's another nighttime walk. Come on, Piper. Come on. The low tonight is 13 degrees. It's like 17 right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna plug in this block here. Whew. Chances are this thing will start just fine, but I'm gonna plug it in anyway. Oh, snow everywhere, ice everywhere. There we go. You can kind of see our tree from outside.
Yeah. You can kind of hear the dogs in there too. All jealous.
The dehumidifier has been running for 2 days. 2 days. That's what we got.
It. I think it's less than yesterday. I think some of it got reclaimed into the atmosphere.
I tell you what. If we can get, I mean, this thing is garbage. Do not buy this. We'll put a link in the description, an affiliate link. Do not buy this.
Unless you really feel like it.
What we'll do, if we can get 5,000 comments on Fitch's Thanksgiving video, we'll link to it in the description. We'll put a link in the end screen, which comes up somewhere in here. If you guys can go to that video and leave him 5,000 comments that says, LBA Lima Bravo Alpha in the comment. That way we know what the comment's for. I figure if we got over 20,000 subscribers, there's no way we can get less than 5,000 comments on his video. But if we can do that, we'll do a live video, a YouTube live, and we will smash that into 1,000 pieces.
Just for your enjoyment.
Just for my enjoyment.
Well, everyone's enjoyment, because it's not working out so great. This little thing. There's not even any driplets in the bowl waiting to go down.
Do not buy that.
So bummed.
It was 12 degrees last night. It's officially the coldest we've camped in.
Yep, we did not freeze up though.
No, the floor is cold. Let's see if the slide comes in.
Yay!
Now that the slides are in, we can start the engine and let it run.
Yeah, you're gonna see. Well, you can see these windows.
Right,
like
it's gonna need a serious defrost.
Oof.
Yeah. Maybe we should get a dehumidifier. Fired right up. Max defrost. Whenever we camped with the Airstream, the dump valves would freeze up if we camped at anything less than 20 degrees. That little heater has made this possible. Black is done, and now the gray. Turn on this braking system. Hey, it opens. Oh man. Oh, it's cold. Good to go.
We are rolling.
Yep.
Well, I think we're gonna head to somewhere just a little bit warmer. Probably won't be too much warmer, but we're gonna take it. So
I think we're going to North Carolina.
yep, we're gonna head for the Carolinas.